verify ng mga gaganap na pulis sa MQuest Signal Spring Films produced film na Manila's Finest sa 51st Metro Manila Film Festival. Kabilang dyan sina Piolo Pascual bilang si Captain Homer Magtibay, Enrique Hill bilang bagitong pulis na si Lieutenant Billy Ojeda, Dylan Menor sa karakter ni Efren Taguyunon, Rico Blanco as Epifanio Javier, at Cedric Juan bilang Danilo Abad. Kasama rin sa cast ng mga veteranong aktor gaya ni na Ariel Rivera, Joey Marquez at Romnick Sarmenta. Ang gagwapo naman pala ng mga pulis noong 60s, kayo pala yun?
Parang feeling namin yung mga men in uniform noon talagang matitikas eh.
Pelikulang may tapang at puso ang Manila's Finest.
Pag-isipan nyo kung karapat dapat pa rin kayong tawaging finest.
It's hope. Yung paniniwala nila na maganda pa rin ang mundo at may gaganda pa.
Na isinulat pa ng mga Batikan writer, sina Michiko Yamamoto, Sherad Anthony Sanchez at Moira Lang.
Manila's Finest tells the story of a breed of policemen who still hold principle over ambition or greed because their aim is really to serve the community that they're in.
Thing that I find important with Manila's Finest is its attempt to bring the romance back in values, in aspirations, in humanity. That we can be good, that there can be goodness, and we can aspire to be heroes in our own right.
Award-winning ang mga sumulat. Award-winning din ang direktor na si Raymond Red.
Ang storya talaga ng Manila's Finest is a human drama. Lagi ko nga nagkukwento, no, because lahat ng early films ko dealt with nostalgia, with the past. No? I'm kind of obsessed with history.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. MJ Marfori, News 5.